cannot even begin to tell you how many times I've left a room and wished that I said something, left the classroom discussion and wished that I raised my hand to ask the question, to share my thought. One, I'm an introvert and I need a little bit more time to think, internalize, and then say something out loud. But two, I am also a first-gen Latina, and being in classrooms and spaces where I'm one of only is a little intimidating. So you might be able to understand why I would often leave rooms without saying anything. And because we live in a world that rewards extroversion, over time I had to learn to get over that. That paired with my need to actually share that I have good ideas and I have thoughts that I think could be solutions to the problems that we have. So what I started to do in these moments is take a piece of paper in my notebook, a pen, and write out exactly what I wanted to say, so that when I did say it, I had my exact phrasing and words. And there would be no room in my delivery for the nerves, for me to stutter, for me to deviate or ramble from what I wanted to say, because I had spent, even if it was just those 10 seconds, writing exactly what I wanted to say down. Another thing was that generally when you go into these spaces, in these meetings, classrooms, discussions, etc., you have an idea of what you're actually doing there, what the point of being in this meeting actually is. With that in mind, I would write a sentence down, something that I could contribute to the conversation, so that again, in the moment, the nerves didn't necessarily take over, so much so that I couldn't say anything at all. I at least had one sentence that grounded me in my contribution. This sentence here is an indicator that I do have something to say, and that when given the opportunity, or when I do raise my hand and put myself out there, I'm going to stick to this focal point. Both of these things really helped me so that in the moment, I wasn't looking for the words that I would be using. Rather, I was just saying them. Because again, it's not that we don't have great ideas. It's that we need a space, an environment that allows us to communicate and say it out loud a nuestra manera. And I know the world is sometimes not patient with us. Let me know if you end up trying it or find it at all helpful.